Hi all, this is Lakshmi, working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS CT. So today I'm here to discuss about the comprehensive startup business model analysis of a Y Combinator startup which is called Octopart. So this Octopart is a web-based platform that aggregates information about electronic components from hundreds of distributors and manufacturers. It allows users to search for parts, compare prices, check the availability, and access technical data all in one place. So this you can call Octopart as a Google for electronic components. So this is a powerful electronic component search engine and data platform which is widely used by engineers, designers, and other professionals. So, the main mission of the company is to streamline the engineering workflows by providing fast, accurate, and comprehensive search for electronic components. So, this is a web-based platform, so as tool which acts like a Google for electronic components. So, it was found in the year 2007, and it is backed by Y Combinator, and it is came from the founders Andres Mori, Sam Russell, and Harish Agarwal. So the vision is to the engineering tools should be streamlined and smart as everything else in modern life. So no distractions from poorly designed websites. So, what is business model canvas? So, this is a strategic management tool which visualizes the key building blocks of a business model in a single framework. So, this helps the organization to understand how they create, deliver, and capture the value. So, as we know, there are 9 key factors which comes under the BMC, like key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segment, key resources, cost structure, channels, and revenue streams. So let us now discuss about each parameters in detail. First is all about the customer segments. So here the customers are the electronic design engineers, the procurement and the supply chain professionals, hardware startups and manufacturers, component distributors, suppliers, R&D engineers, and hobbyists. So these are the customer segments. So the next is value proposition. So this is a one-stop platform to search, compare, and source the electronic components. So it provides the real-time pricing, availability, and data sheets, saves time by aggregating data from multiple distributors, and also help in faster decision making and design efficiency. So these are the value propositions. So next is talking about the channels. So official website, that is direct website, which is a search platform, and APIs for integration into engineering tools, and the search engine optimization and the engineering communities. So the customer relationship is it is a self-service platform, like it is a search engine model which is having automated search and discovery tools, allowing users to find components independently. And it is an enterprise support, so dedicated account management and technical support for API, and community engagement, that is long-term engagement via tools, certain tools, and continuous improvement. So the revenue streams are the referral fees from the distributors. So when users click and purchase, the referral fees comes along with revenue, which generates revenue, and the sponsored listings and advertisements, API licensing, and the paid API or data access services, premium analytics and business insights, and the as I told, the sponsored listings from advertisement services. So next is key resources. So the key resources here includes the massive electronic component database. So that is a comprehensive database which contains millions of electronic components with specifications, pricing, and available data. And then the next is the search algorithms, advanced search algorithms, which is search technology. So the indexing systems optimized for technical component discovery. And then is the distribution partnership with manufacturers, the network of relationships with component distributors, which provides real-time inventory and pricing feeds. And then comes the engineering team, the skill developers and the data engineers who maintain this platform. So talking about the key activities here, the first comes the data aggregation from suppliers. So we have to collect the data, validate and update the component data from the manufacturers and the distributors. So the platform development, so we have to maintain the intelligent search tools, APIs and user interfaces. And the partnership management here, establishing and nurturing relationship with component distributors and manufacturers and providing the customer support. So providing technical assistance and ensuring optimal user experience across the platform. So the key partners and the cost structures here, the first partners will be the component distributors, that is the global suppliers, manufacturers, engineering software platforms, and the parent company after acquisition. So these are all the key partners. And the cost structures include the data infrastructure and servers, the software development and maintenance, and the employee salaries, marketing and partnerships, API and integration cost. So these are all the key partners and cost structures. Thank you.